Emma is relaxing at home on a sunny morning when her phone buzzes with a message from her friend Sarah. Sarah asks if Emma is free today and invites her to go shopping together. Emma is happy and excited. She says yes right away. A fun day is about to begin. Emma stands in front of her mirror and gets ready to go out. She adjusts her sweater and checks her bag. She has been wanting new clothes for a while. Today is the perfect opportunity. She looks confident and excited as she prepares to leave. Emma walks to the shopping mall and sees Sarah waiting outside. The two friends greet each other with big smiles. Sarah is full of energy and asks if Emma is ready for a shopping adventure. Emma says, absolutely. The adventure begins. Emma and Sarah push open the large glass doors and walk inside the shopping mall. They stop and look around in amazement. The mall is enormous, bright, and full of stores in every direction. It is the perfect place to spend the day. Emma and Sarah stop at the mall directory to plan their visit. Emma knows exactly what she needs. She wants a new jacket. Sarah is ready to help her find the perfect one. They study the map and decide which store to visit first. Emma and Sarah arrive at a stylish clothing store. A friendly store assistant named Alex greets them at the entrance with a warm smile. He welcomes them and asks how he can help. This is where Emma begins her search for the perfect jacket. Emma tells Alex that she is looking for a casual jacket. Alex listens carefully and asks what color she prefers. Emma thinks for a moment and says, maybe blue. Alex nods and leads her toward the jacket displays. Asking for help politely is one of the most important skills in everyday English conversation. Alex returns with two different jackets and holds them up for Emma and Sarah to compare. Emma looks at both options carefully. She decides she likes the blue one. Emma likes the blue jacket, but needs to check the size. She asks Alex if they have it in a medium. Alex smiles and says yes. He goes to find the right size and hands it to Emma. Alex points Emma toward the fitting rooms so she can try on the jacket. Emma thanks him and walks in that direction. Knowing how to ask for directions inside a store and how to respond politely makes shopping much easier in English. Emma is inside the fitting room trying on the blue jacket. She looks at herself in the mirror and turns to check how it fits from different angles. She is very happy with what she sees. The jacket feels comfortable and looks great. It fits perfectly. Emma steps out of the fitting room to show Sarah. She asks Sarah what she thinks. Sarah immediately says it looks amazing and tells Emma she should definitely buy it. Getting opinions from friends and responding to compliments are natural parts of everyday English conversation. Emma asks Alex how much the jacket costs. Alex tells her it is $60. Emma thinks about the price for a moment and says that is reasonable. Asking about prices clearly and calmly is an essential part of shopping English that you will use every time you visit a store. Alex has some exciting news. The jacket is currently on sale. Emma is surprised and asks, really? Emma says she needs new shoes. Alex helpfully tells them that the shoe department is upstairs. Sarah is already heading toward the escalator. The shopping adventure continues.